Top 5 apps like Bella Barnett dress reviews that actually work today. Bella Barnett dress is a popular choice for stylish clothing, but most people get this wrong by thinking one store can satisfy all fashion needs. The surprising truth is there are several apps that offer detailed reviews, sizing guides, and alternative options. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, List. Aggregates fashion items across multiple brands and includes real customer reviews. Users love its filtering options and wide selection. Second, Shop Style. Focused on price comparisons and style ratings, it helps users find dresses similar to Bella Barnett designs. Customers appreciate the savings and transparency. Third, Poshmark. Combines second-hand and new fashion with reviews and community feedback. Users highlight authentic reviews and seller reliability. Fourth, Like Tokno, it lets users shop influencer styles and see product reviews. Customers enjoy curated recommendations and honest feedback. Finally, Dip-Up. Popular for trendy and vintage dresses, it includes user reviews and seller ratings. Users report discovering unique items not found elsewhere. Pro tip: combine app reviews with size charts and customer photos to make smarter fashion purchases. These tools save time, money, and reduce returns. These 5 apps provide better ways to explore styles, compare prices, and read real reviews beyond just one brand.